These are pictures coming in from the Parliament complex where this protest is being held by members of the India bloc. It's a showdown that we've been seeing for days and weeks together now, leading to disruption of activity as far as legislative business in Lok Sabha is concerned.
It's an internal meeting. No, it's a parliamentary internal meeting.
तमाम कांग्रेस के सांसद विपक्ष के सांसद आए हुए हैं। आप
हम जो प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं वो बाहर कर रहे हैं। हमने काम करके अंदर जा रहे हैं। रोज हम कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं चाहते, चर्चा नहीं चाहते, तो किसी न किसी बहाने adjourn करा रहे हैं हर रोज। हम जो प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं वो बाहर कर रहे हैं। हमने काम करके अंदर जा रहे हैं। रोज हम कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं चाहते, चर्चा नहीं चाहते, तो किसी न किसी बहाने adjourn करा रहे हैं हर रोज।
All right, so you heard there from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra saying that they're protesting outside Parliament. So why are the proceedings getting disrupted inside Parliament? That's the BJP behind this, is what she says. That's the government behind this. That's an allegation from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra saying that we are the ones who are disrupting the proceedings in the House. We want the House to function. Our protester outside Parliament, says the MP there from Wayanad. You heard her just now. In fact, what we've also picked up is that in the internal party meeting today, Lok Sabha leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, asked the MPs to be a part of the debate and to ensure good attendance in the House. So is there actually a change in strategy? That's the big question here. We'll be going across to my colleagues in just a bit to give us a sense of what's really happening inside the House, given that the Lok Sabha, remember, has been adjourned once again up until noon. Held a while ago. We've also seen the House get adjourned. Members of Parliament of the Congress party there protesting with bags today, carrying these tote bags with the cartoon imprinted of the Prime Minister and of Gautam Adani. From masks to bags, the Congress finding new and different ways to raise these issues outside Parliament and also inside. Fight been adjourned up until noon is what we know. Right now there was some ruckus that was witnessed inside the lower house. We'll try and get a sense of what really happened inside the Lok Sabha. But because we heard from the Congress saying that the House must function. So who created that disruption is the big question here.
पहले तो वो सुन लें, मेरे 10 प्रश्नों को सुन लें, फिर उसके बाद तय करें कि क्या करना है।
सर, बाहर जिस तरीके के हंगामे हो रहे हैं, मोदी अडानी भाई आज बकायदा थैला लेकर आए थे।
इनमें हिम्मत ही नहीं है ना, बात करने की हिम्मत ही नहीं। विदेशी ताकतों के साथ मिलकर आज तक कांग्रेस देश तोड़ती रहती है। अंग्रेजों के साथ मिलकर भारत और पाकिस्तान बना दिया। आज सोरोस के साथ मिलकर जो है, ये एक तरफ खालिस्तान बनाना चाहते हैं, एक तरफ कश्मीर बनाना चाहते हैं, एक स्टेट राज्य देश जो है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट को बनाना चाहते हैं। इसलिए इनमें ताकत नहीं बची हुई है।
Many MPs have come to me, including MPs from Samajwadi Party, TMC, and many MPs from Congress Party also. In fact, the entire Congress Party in Rajya Sabha are looking for debate and discussion in the House. It is only Rahul Gandhi who doesn't want to take part in the parliamentary proceeding. Probably Rahul Gandhi doesn't believe in parliamentary democracy. But all other MPs are very interested to have debates and discussions in the House. Rahul Gandhi doesn't have to bother about any issues. He doesn't have any feelings. He doesn't have any understanding about the plight of the people. So it doesn't matter to him.
All right, we have some information coming in at this point in time that Rajya Sabha has also been adjourned. We'll be getting in more details about the washout that day after day, the parliament session, the winter session of parliament is saying the Lok Sabha has been adjourned, and I hear that even Rajya Sabha has been adjourned.